Hello everybody, my name is Farmer Phil, and in today's video we gotta fix this plant trailer. We gotta get her fixed because I have bought two implements that we need the trailer for to go pick them up and bring them home, so we have them, and I getting to the point where I really need to be getting them home, so we gotta get that sorted. What is wrong with the plant trailer, you might wonder? Well, the spring is gone. Yes, so I had to take the wheel off it for another job, but yeah, the spring is gone. I think the spring on the other side is okay, can't even see it. So yeah, we gotta get a new spring. Our springs are in the yard, so it's just a matter of getting it all put together. So I need to get myself a lash and then strap that up, strap it up so it's not going to be in the way, and then just pull it out of here, put it into the calf shed so I can get at it, because I need to get this plant trailer because I got implements I need to get picked up. Also, if you're wondering, yes, the trailer behind me there also is missing two wheels, and that's them wheels were taken off to be sent off to get new tires behind them and in preparation for silage, but it's sitting there on two wheels. Yeah, that's just literally, it was take off two, get two sorted and leave two so they could be, so we could still move it around if it was in the way. As I said, it's been there for maybe 4 months or that, since it broke, and it just got out of the way. So yeah, we get it fixed. That's that up out of the way. We'll go get the telly, we'll go pull it nice and gingerly, and we'll see will it come out here handy enough now. Just while I was up getting the telly, we got a new weight block. It's the first proper weight block we have. O'Hagan Bros Engineering, but Monaghan, Stewart Agri. 600 kilo weight block. Very, very happy with it. It's a nice tidy one, carrying it that side so it keeps it in nice and tight to the front of the tractor. Your yoke on top. I haven't used it for anything, no, I come during the week. Yeah, no, very happy with it. So we'll have that now for whatever we need it for. As you remember last when we did the pot-hunter drill on demo, we had to put the front PTO compressor on to try and keep the front wheels in the ground, and I could actually do with a weight on the 7618 with the Harrow, so that'll take the box nicely. As we said before, when we done a giveaway last month, we are doing a giveaway again this month, and this month's sponsor, this month's giveaway is Tama, and Tama are giving us a Tama cycle net wrap 3/6 to give away, along with some merchandise. So same rules as the last time. There's no money, no nothing, it's just a free giveaway, and if you want to get entered, you have to do two things. One, leave a comment down below under the video saying reduce, reuse, recycle, and the other, go to Gleam. There'll be a link in the description down below. Head over there, and then you just need to verify your stuff, and then that way we can do a random draw. It just makes things a lot easier. We used it on the last one, same as the last time. But Tama are promoting their new Tama cycle net, which is made using some recycled plastic. So this net here has recycled plastic in it, that's why it's reduce, reuse, recycle, and they're giving away a roll of that and merchandise to the winner. And if the winner doesn't need a roll of net, they're giving away a €150 one for all voucher as well. So if you're interested, as I said, in the comments, reduce, reuse, recycle, and head over to Gleam in the description to just fill in your information, so it just makes picking a winner very easy. So yeah, big thanks to Tama for sponsoring this month's giveaway, and hopefully we'll be able to keep it up again next month. But this day week we'll announce the winner for the Tama cycle net and their merchandise. And we're in the shed now. So Liv was just feeding the calves there, so we won't have them roaring at us, luckily. The tire's a bit soft. So now I'll go over to the workshop now and get what I think I need. So what I will need is the springs. Springs are over in the workshop. I need to get the bolts for holding on the spring, 4 new ones of them. Hopefully that's all. Should be easy enough done without the wheel on, I think. New springs, all the bolts I need, tools for opening, persuasion if the bolts won't open for me, and safety. And hopefully I don't need to come back over for anything else. You can see the brake cable. Everything looks not too bad underneath it. But I have to take off these lads. We'll just use persuasion and we'll get them cut off. So this is our bracket out. Just finished cutting these off. What on earth way? One spring. This here is what holds it in, and the front goes through that. So I have brought in a new M20, which should do the job. Oh, damn it! Too short. No, our nice collection of bolts. These are M16, these were 1680s. So I went M16 100s. Happy days. What's happening in the workshop? And you're probably wondering, well, if you had it in here, what you'd be able to do it? Well, as you can see, there's no room. And I could have dragged it in and worked outside, but it's wet outside. So fuck it, I'll just do it in the shed inside. Didn't think it was too hard. Unfortunately, progress has been basically non-existent. Purely because as soon as the time changes, time in the workshop in the evening is gone. Time changes, you're working till 9-10 o'clock, and at that stage it's very hard to come in, to finish, come back and come into this. Yesterday we put 13 hours in on the pipes, and that was even an early quit. We finished at 8:30 yesterday, and we could have done it. We could have went 15 hours yesterday, but Father Phil said it was a Saturday. Time to go inside, but unfortunately I'm not over optimistic about whether this will be put back together before winter. Probably be next winter. Unfortunately, it's unless something bizarre happens, I think I'll be walking around it for another couple of months. So that's the job. Aye. Sign. Oh, we got it this time. Oh. Get this lined up where it needs to be. You gotta sit down into that. Oh, that's it centered. Just after realizing my gun useless to me, I brought one spanner. Back to the workshop I'll end up going. That side goes down fine. Crooked side does not want to go down. And my bolts aren't long enough. They're the longest ones I have. The fun news is 120 is as big as our 19, I don't know what mil they are, no, 12 mil bolts go. So we're going to have to go to the local garage and pick up some, I'd say 140, 160 bolts. Oh. So I'm going to pack up and just push it in out of the way so we can continue doing what needs to be done and go at this maybe tomorrow night. Oh God, you gotta love it. And now everyone, it is, it's like a spooky movie now, it is night time. The hair has been cut. We'll see how the mullet works out for me. That's what I'm going for. But anyways, we have our longer bolts. We have M12 150s, so a good bit longer. Seems to work, so now it's just a matter of time banging it into it, getting this done and getting the other side done. So yeah, just have to little issue, it's not just going down flush. I just have to give a couple of raps of the hammer. Well, when I say hammer, fence and pliers, see how that goes. But anyways, try and get these put together.
Show me loving, I need your loving, 'cause I'm drowning in something and I can't come out. Just show me loving, I need your loving, me, myself, ain't enough. It's like being hooked to a crushing heart. I want you to know how bad it hurts. You keep it beside along my heart. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do.
And now the wheel is back on the wagon. That took a bit longer than I was hoping it would take. It was quite tricky trying to line up them little brackets underneath the plate to kind of clamp the axle to the spring. That was quite difficult. So I went round when I was for upon the wheel. I just checked all the others and everything seems fine. Doesn't seem to be any cracks. Everything seems tight. Everything else seems fine. It was just this one. I think the reason why the back spring went was because sometimes we put the plant trailer on the tractor if we have to move the teleporter is perfect fit up on that. Sometimes we use that and a tractor to move the telly, and when it's on the tractor it tends to carry more in the back wheels than the front. Doesn't have a very even distribution of weight when it's on a tractor. It's a bit too high in the front, and I think that could have been what done it. But new spring is in it, she's on, everything else on the trailer seems grand. So just tidy up the tools now and she's ready to rock and roll to go pick up these implements that I have bought. 2 yokes, so if you want to guess, just in the comments. Be amazed if anyone's able to figure out what I've bought. It's two things I've bought, and I think I'll fit both of them on the trailer and I might be able to pick them up in the one run. That's what we're thinking at the minute. Hopefully now for the end of this week we'll get them lifted. But yeah, trailer's back ready for the road. Also, you may be wondering we are in the calf shed, and I haven't looked that way, and that is because the new calf feeder is sitting in there, and that will be Thursday's video. Tomorrow morning now is get calves from there to down there and get that all set up and get them on it. So yeah, Thursday's video all going to plan. We'll be having a look at the new calf feeder too. Don't forget also, if you want to enter into the free giveaway for a Tama recycle net and some Tama merch, in the comments leave reduce, reuse, recycle, and then head over to Gleam. There'll be a link in the description down below where you just fill in your details just so we can verify it, and it makes it easier picking a winner, same as we done for the Midwest Electrical Tool giveaway. So just in case some of you have missed, that was draw 2 weeks ago. It's in a cattle video, I think it was, and it was Stephen from Clare, he won it. We're going to leave it at that for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, please like and subscribe to the channel. Videos every Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday. That's it for me. Good luck.